Breaking down a front squat versus breaking down a back squat is actually pretty easy. When it comes to squatting, both types of squats will work your lower back, your quads, your glutes, and your hamstrings. Although when you do a back squat, what happens is it tips your body slightly forward, which forces your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings to get quite a bit of the work, even though your quads are still doing a decent amount of work as well. When we put the bar in front of us, it pitches our knees forward, which essentially increases the moment arm or force through the knee joint. And in doing this, you will actually recruit a little bit more of your knee muscles, being your quad muscles, and a little bit less of your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Although, as I just stated, you still use all of those muscles in either or. Your percentages just change a little bit. Which one should you do? I would recommend for most people to try to get used to doing both of them. With that said, usually doing front squats is more used for athletic movements. It is a very demanding position to get into with that front rack position. So when you're just starting out, go nice and slow. You might only be able to do it with a couple fingers at first, or with your arms across like so. Either or is a good option to start. Back squats are where a lot of people start because it is a lot easier to get that bar on your back and do the normal squatting pattern versus that front squat when it comes to simply learning it. With that said, you don't need to do back squats or front squats ever. Although I do recommend people try to do them if you don't want to. Even just practicing some slow and controlled body weight squats, even with a weight in front of you, holding it like so, is still going to get your body that good squatting movement pattern.